In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the user guide within HubSpot. Focusing on the Breeze feature, this process is simple and convenient, making it easy to get the most out of HubSpot's capabilities. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Once you have that up, type in the URL for HubSpot, app.na2.hubspot.com. This is going to take you directly to the HubSpot platform where you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password, and as a best practice, make sure you're on a secure and private network while logging in. You should now be at the HubSpot main dashboard. Next, we'll be heading over to the user guide. To do this, find the main navigation panel that's typically situated at the top of the screen. In this panel, look for a tab or a link titled User Guide. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on it. This link is your gateway to an extensive amount of resources and a detailed walkthrough of different HubSpot features. Upon clicking User Guide, you'll want to keep an eye out for Breeze, which is one of HubSpot's standout features. It usually appears in the list of available guides or topics. So, locate Breeze on the page you're on, and once you find it, simply click on it. Breeze is specifically designed to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity, so understanding how to navigate its overview can significantly improve your HubSpot experience. Now that you're within the Breeze section, our next step is to click on Overview. The Overview section provides a detailed insight into the Breeze feature, including its main functionalities and how they can be adapted to suit your specific needs. By clicking on this section, you equip yourself with knowledge that can optimize the way you handle tasks, projects, and communications within HubSpot. As you explore the Overview section, take some time to absorb the information available. You might find it beneficial to pause here, explore the additional resources or external links provided, and get a feel for the functionalities presented. Whether you're using Breeze to manage contacts, automate reminders, or keep tabs on campaigns, this section will be invaluable. To wrap things up, remember that the user guide and the Breeze overview are just a few of HubSpot's robust features. Make sure to take notes as you navigate, bookmark helpful pages for quicker access next time, and feel free to explore other features within the user guide. There you have it. A straightforward way to navigate through HubSpot's user guide to access the Breeze feature and its overview. Hopefully this has been helpful as you begin or continue your journey using HubSpot. Thanks for joining me in today's video, and feel free to refer back to this guide anytime you need it. Happy HubSpotting!